Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the brand new feature on Facebook that allows you to open supported links directly in your browser, specifically Chrome, right from the Facebook app, even when you're on your PC. This quick, step-by-step process is all you need to make your browsing experience smoother and faster, especially if you prefer using your browser instead of the in-app viewer. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Facebook app. If you don't already have it open on your PC, go ahead and launch it now. You'll notice Facebook's classic layout, but we're focusing on getting those links to open up just the way you want. Next, look toward the top right corner of the Facebook page. You'll see 3 dots. These represent the menu for more options. Click on those 3 dots to open up a list of additional settings and actions. From this menu, scroll down until you find App Info. Selecting this will take you to a screen filled with more detailed settings about how the Facebook app behaves on your device. Now, locate the section labeled Settings and click on it. This is where you can really customize your experience. Inside the settings, find the option called Opening Supported Links. This is the key section we need. Click on it, and you'll see a choice to determine how Facebook handles links that you click, whether it opens them within the app or switches you directly to your browser instead. To finish up, select the option Open in Chrome browser. And that's it. Now, whenever you tap a supported link inside the Facebook app, it will automatically launch in your Chrome browser on your PC, just like you want. No more hassle with the in-app browser or having to copy and paste. This new update saves you time and makes browsing much more convenient. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips like this. See you in the next video.